how to fix camera or microphone not working in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing that I recommend doing is going to be clicking on this icon next to the URL, and then you will choose Site Settings. Now from here, make sure camera is set to allow. Microphone is also set to allow. Now once you have confirmed this, then we can enter a meeting. So I'm just going to create a sample meeting here. Okay, we're going to start the meeting, and right now I'm not going to invite anyone. The next thing that I suggest doing is going to be choosing your correct camera and mic from within the meeting itself. Now if you click on open video options, it's going to display all of your cameras. Now currently my camera is not showing because I'm already recording with this software, but right here if I was to stop it, then this is going to be my actual camera. So make sure you select your correct camera from this list, and you will do the same for your microphone as well. So the speaker, if you are not able to hear people, you will set this to your correct speaker, and also the microphone. Like I said, make sure you select the right microphone, and you should no longer have issues with Microsoft Teams camera or other things not working. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.